In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an interior door handle on your Chevy Sonic. This will be located inside of the door. Let's get started. Using a pick, we're going to open up the small trim door behind the handle. Pop it open. Using a 7mm socket, remove the screw in the door. Remove the trim piece behind the handle using a small pick. We're going to pop the door off. Remove the 7mm screw. Remove the trim piece on the side of the door. Pull straight out, pop the clips out. Go around the door, popping out all of the clips. Let the door panel straight up. Remove the connector. Push on the tab. Pull straight out. Pop up on the plastic clip for the door handle cable. We're going to pull straight back. Pull the cable out of the door handle and pull out the ball. Remove the door panel. Using a drill bit, we're going to drill out the old plastic rivets. We're going to remove all of the old rivet material. With all of the old rivets removed, pull the door handle out of the door. Install the new door handle. Start the back first. Push it up into place until all of the poles are lined up and through. We're going to install these pressure clamps. Push them down onto the door handle. To help seat them, you can grab a socket and push down on the back. It'll save your fingers. Do this on all of the poles for all of the clips. Install the cable into the handle, pull it over, get the clip installed, give it a pull, make sure it's locked in. Install the connector for the window switch, push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Drop the door panel down onto the sill, being sure that the unlock stock is coming through. Line up all the clips. Push them down into place. You can give it a pull and it shouldn't move anywhere. Install the 2 screws through the door. Install the trim door. Click it into place. Push the trim door into place. Install the bottom of the trim piece first. Hinge it up and clip it into place, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.